Go.
Hi, thank you for coming back to join us with Realistic Renovations and Refinishing. Sean behind the camera. I'm Jill.
Hi.
Today we're doing mudding.
So, to give you guys an idea, we're still not done marking all the holes in the wall. So we do this kind of mudding the bottom. So we still have to do all the bottom. We haven't bought the boards yet, but the bottom's ready to put the boards up. Every one of these holes, or every one of these pieces of tape, there's a hole next to it or damage to the wall, stuff like that. Now, these 3 holes are ours, like we said in the last video. Everything else, all around here, all these marks, all the way around, up there, behind the door, everything. I don't even think she got up there.
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Didn't get that high.
So that's basically the only clear spot we have that don't have little marks in it. So she's gonna start with the mudding of all the little holes.
Yeah.
So we'll go through that process. We'll time lapse through most of that to show you the pain she's gonna go through, because I'm not doing it. I'm gonna let her do that because I got all the bottom part. She hates doing the lines and stuff.
I suck at it.
So she gets the easy part.
Easy part. Do you see how many holes there are?
Well, I tell you what.
Especially that wall. That must have been a poster wall.
Yeah. Anyways, so we'll go ahead and shoot a little bit of her doing it, and then we'll go to time lapse. So see you then.
there's Diesel. So he's gonna help. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do some of the sanding of the holes that I patched. I have to wait for some of the stuff to dry. I'm gonna have Sean help me with this one. And we still have to patch those ginormous holes up here. These are the only ones that we did, and that was because there was a bookcase up on the wall and we had those anchors in it. And that one refused to come out for release, so yeah. Sometimes this little wall thing, they don't work as well as advertised. So this one we still have to mud and tape on there, and then we have to get that big one right there patched up. That will not get patched up. That's going to be for something. So we'll show you later on that. But yeah, just in case you need a recap, this switch was over here. So it made it kind of a pain in the butt to like reach in this far to turn on a light, and unfortunately this switch at the time, the old one that was here, did not hook up to this. It was to the top plug of that outlet.